The quickest way to flip a woman's desire: stop giving her what she expects. Women crave uncertainty. They're drawn to the unknown. If you want her obsessed, stop over-explaining, over-texting, or overcompensating. Just pull back, vanish a little, because once you do, everything shifts. Her thoughts start spinning, her behavior flips, and suddenly, she's the one chasing you. Let's break down 6 psychological reactions that happen when you ignore her. This isn't about pickup tricks. This is about raw, studied psychology. 1. Her brain reacts like you just ghosted her dopamine dealer. What most men miss: a woman's attention system thrives on anticipation, not satisfaction. When you stop responding, you're not being rude. You're breaking her internal reward cycle. The same kind of loop seen in addictions. She's used to fast replies, quick bursts of attention. Take those away, and her dopamine hits reverse. She starts craving that high again. And now, you've become the source. 2. She starts testing to take back control. Silence is power, and power, it makes people uneasy. So when you stop calling, texting, reacting, she doesn't just stay quiet. She tests a sly jab, a random selfie, a classic thinking of you text. These aren't accidents, they're emotional bait. Feelers to drag you back into her world and reclaim your focus. Stay solid. That's how you flip the dynamic. 3. You trigger psychological projection. When she's unsure where she stands, her mind starts filling in the gaps. And that's where it gets good. If you've kept calm, strong, and just a little mysterious, she fills in those blanks with something positive. Maybe you met someone new. Maybe you're thriving. Either way, you'd become her favorite storyline. Why? There's a Zeigarnik effect. People remember what's unfinished more than what's completed. By not closing the loop with her, you stick in her head longer and stronger. 4. Attraction builds in the empty spaces. It doesn't grow during contact. It grows when she reflects. Ignore her, and she feels the distance. And that feeling creates desire. Our brains place value on what's rare. Your attention used to be expected. Now it's scarce. And scarcity, it's like rocket fuel for seduction. Here's a quick science bit. Oxytocin, the bonding hormone, crashes when connection breaks, and that crash makes her crave reconnection. 5. You shift from being an option to an obsession. Here's the real silent power move. By pulling back, you remove yourself from the always available list. She no longer assumes you'll answer. She no longer expects your validation. And that shift flips everything. You've shown your energy has value. You're no longer just accessible. You're exclusive. And that's what makes the difference between simple attraction and full-blown obsession. Psych principle: reward uncertainty. Studies show we get more excited by unpredictable rewards than steady ones. Your attention becomes a jackpot she can't predict or resist. 6. She becomes the pursuer, and you become the prize. This is the shift. Her curiosity turns into action. She starts. The convo replies faster, looks for excuses to draw you in, because she feels the emotional gap, and her instincts say, close it. That's when you win. Not by acting cold, but by staying calm, confident, a little bit out of reach. Bonus tip: women don't fall for the guy who gives the most. They fall for the one who makes them feel the most. And nothing creates emotional waves like the tension of distance. So here's your final takeaway. This isn't about being heartless. It's about mastering restraint. Masculine restraint. The kind that says, I've got value, I've got options, and I don't need to perform for your approval. Ignore her, not out of pettiness, but from strength. Because the man who can walk away never has to. So now I want to know, have you ever backed off and watched her chase you like never before? Drop your story in the comments. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Please like, comment, and share if you want to keep these videos coming.